say, I think today my stars have all aligned. I'm about to cry. My legs are weak. I really don't understand. I have a question not to any of you guys, but any of people who have ever interviewed Salman Khan or Prabhudeva sir or Kicha sir or Sonakshi. How do you guys do it in front of these guys? Yeah, how do you sit in front of these guys and be so cool? I've just looked at interviews and I've thought it's so cool, but it's a star-studded day for me. I don't even understand where to look. I want to sit like this. I want to sit like this. I want to sit down and look at Sonakshi and sir. So it's a beautiful day, I must say. And sir, I'm really just. So okay, amazing. Okay, let's stop fangirling for a second. And I want to really ask whose idea was to bring Dabangg 3 in Telugu for us. It's like a huge gift for all of us. Whose idea was it? Thank you so much, universe.
His idea. Prabhu sir's idea.
నేను ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అందరికి నమస్కారం. ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ స్టార్ట్ సార్ మాట్లాడారు చెప్పారు ప్రభు తమిళ్ తెలుగు గురువై ఫిలిం చేయాలి. సో ఓకే సార్
थैंक यू सल्लू सर. हिंदी लोगों से हम कुछ भी कम नहीं है क्योंकि आपको इतना सारा प्यार करते हैं. हिंदी थोड़ा खराब है पर हमारा दिल में बहुत सारा प्यार है. So if at all I could convey that properly.
हमारा हिंदी बहुत अच्छा है. हमारा तेलुगु तो खराब क्या आता ही नहीं हमको तेलुगु.
सर सूपर. సో సిన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందర మేము ఆలోచిస్తుండే అండ్ సోనాక్షి గారు అడిగారు అనమాట పైన ఏం రాస్తుంది అని. సో దాన్ని ప్రభుదేవ గారు చదివి చెప్పారు. సో ఆటకైనా వేటకైనా రెడీ అని. సో ఒక్కసారి ఐ వాంట్ టు లిసన్ దట్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్
ఆటకైనా వేటకైనా రెడీ.
సూపర్. ఆల్సో ఐ హావ్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ టు ప్రభుదేవ గారు. సో నేను విన్నాను దట్ సల్మాన్ ఖాన్ గారు అనుకున్నారంట డబ్ చేయాలని తెలుగులో కన్నడలో ఆయన వాయిస్లోనే డబ్ చేయాలని అనుకున్నారంట. కానీ ఆయన చెప్తే మొత్తం ఫారెన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లాగా అనిపించిందంట.
లేదు యాక్చువల్గా కన్నడ లాంగ్వేజ్లో సరే డబ్ చేశారు. తమిళ్ తెలుగు చేశారు ఆయన విన్న తర్వాత అది
is some other language you dubbing?
అదే చిన్న పిల్లలు డబ్ కదా ఫస్ట్ టైం.
Is you are trying, you are struggling.
నేను చెప్పాను సార్.
But not my fault. That his man, dubbing man came to check my dubbing. Okay sir, super sir, super sir. Okay sir, okay sir. I said, okay. He said, what have you done wrong? Everything is all wrong. So it's not my fault.
What happens when Sallu bhai says something that is wrong है फिर भी अच्छा लगता है. So we're like,
नहीं. कोई wrong नहीं. So we thought, as it is, there's a huge fan following here in Hindi. So I thought even the Telugu audience should also see this film in their language.
Correct. And thank you so much for this gift, sir. I think we're all privileged. And
No, it was actually a huge effort, and because of dubbing, in 3 languages and then plus Hindi, so everything got all delayed and stuff like that. So we expect, for all the mehnat, hard work that we've done and this effort that we made, that we expect everyone to go and see the film in all these 3 languages. Otherwise, next time it will not happen. If box office collection doesn't come from here and from Tamil and from Kannada, then what is the use of investing so much of time and so much effort and taking this to all different languages? Then Hindi is only then.
No, we will definitely not disappoint you, sir. I am promising I'll take all
No,
my
that I
friends.
know. That I know.
Yeah, we'll fill Farage papers and we'll take visits and we'll do everything dancing in front of the theatres. I promise that you will have to again make a movie directly in Telugu because that is what the response we are actually waiting to give you. We are waiting for the release also. And now I have a question for the most prettiest girl here and Sona, Asli Sona, the real gold. So we have a question for you. So you have debuted with Dabangg. And as much as Sallu sir's shades swag is constant, you are constant in Dabangg. So how does it feel to be the constant of Sallu bhai?
Feels good. I think for the first time, a heroine has been retained in 3 parts of a film. So I feel really happy about that. In the middle, he used to tease me that we'll kill you off and put you on one photo and put a heart around you. But I'm really happy that he didn't do that. But it's like home ground for me. I started my career with this. He showed me my true calling. I never even wanted to act. And when I did Dabangg, I think my entire life changed. So for me, Dabangg will always be the most special film of my life.
This is so sweet. And I have one question to the sir himself. Sujit Kicha garu, మీరు కన్నడలో సూపర్ స్టార్. స్టార్. అలాగే తెలుగులో మీరు చిరంజీవి సార్ సైరా చేశారు. అలాగే మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు బాలీవుడ్ సూపర్ స్టార్ సల్మాన్ గారితో దబంగ్ 3 చేస్తున్నారు. సో హౌ డస్ ఇట్ ఆల్ ఫీల్ టు బి అ సూపర్ స్టార్ అండ్ బి ఆల్ అరౌండ్ సూపర్ స్టార్ ఆల్ టైమ్?
The role is nice, people are good, films are good. We should do this day, we should take this journey. Otherwise, it's just going to be one place, one stardom, one something. It's not about growth, it's about after a couple of years, you need to go. Let go of certain baggages and go and enjoy the films. And I think I'm enjoying that moment right now. I'm working with such wonderful people.
So if you have to say one word about Sonakshi, what would that be? Define Sonakshi.
I'll fight Chulbul again.
I'll fight people again.
This time not for time. One more.
Oh no.
Ah, that's so sweet. He wants to again fight. Okay, so Malli fight chestarani cheptunnaru Sonakshi.
But somebody asked me yesterday to say something about Shrudeep, so I said he's the sweetest villain I've ever met.
So sweet. So one word about Sallu Bhai to describe her, one word is not enough.
Strength,
Yes. And one word about Prabhu sir?
child.
Child.
Yes.
Oh, he looks like one. Okay. Cute.
From the heart, from the heart.
Yes, yes.
And that's the reason why he makes all these
Yes.
fun films and entertaining films.
Always entertaining. Super. So Sallu Bhai.
And I think he's getting it from his children because he spends a lot of time with his kids. So all the youngsters ka jo input hai, he's taking everything from there.
Yes, definitely. So, మీది ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంది తెలుగులో, పోలీస్ డ్రెస్ వేస్తే పోలీస్, యూనిఫామ్ తీస్తే రౌడీ, మొత్తం ఆల్ రౌండర్ ని అని ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంది.
Sir,
Hmm.
if I put the car.
Yes, I understood, sir. So I understand, sir. I understand now. These 3 days, I understand Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. I understand all languages.
ఆల్ రౌండర్ ని, ఆ డైలాగ్ మీకే అయితే నిజంగా, బికాస్ సచ్ మే ఆల్ రౌండర్ హువా. సో కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ వన్ డైలాగ్ ఫర్ us?
Of course. Okay, you say one line, then I say one line.
డ్రెస్ వేస్తే
Huh?
పోలీస్ డ్రెస్ వేస్తే పోలీస్
What?
కాకి డ్రెస్ వేస్తే
Ah.
కాకి డ్రెస్ వేస్తే
Khaki dress aise,
పోలీస్
police.
తీస్తే తీస్తే
Teeste,
గుండా
gunda.
ఆల్ రౌండర్ నేను
Huh?
ఆల్ రౌండర్ నేను
All rounder then.
So this has been absolutely great. So if there's one thing you really love about Dabang, Dabang 1, Dabang 2, Dabang 3, like I have told, I love the spec style or the swag that you carry. Sir.
What I love about Dabang 1 and 2 is both the Dabangs were really well taken by all the audiences, and they wanted to see 3, so we made 3. Now after 3, if they really like 3, then we are ready with 4.
That's a really nice thing. So, Prabhu sir, what do you love about Dabang? Dabang 1, Dabang 2, Dabang 3. What's your favorite part about the whole Dabang? Sallu bhai.
సార్ అదే
And
అండ్
how mean.
No, he meant to say me and then Chaubey ji, Tiwari ji, Pichkari ji,
Fine.
Prajapati Pandey, Bakachand Pandey, and then
Basically
comes.
everyone except for me. Okay. Yeah, we get it.
So now Gold. So you tell me, what's the one favorite thing about Dabang for you?
What that my entire life changed because of it, and I started acting with Dabang. I think that is always going to be my most favorite part about the film. Yeah.
All right. So we have to say, I think I'm saying this a little late, but welcome to Hyderabad. Is there anything really lovely that you really love about Hyderabad, or you want to tell people in Hyderabad? Is there something to watch Dabang 3 or?
Yes, definitely watch Dabang 3. That's
Yeah.
why we made it.
Who's going to come and
Telugu
promote
for
a
you.
film and do the film, dub the film in Telugu and say, don't watch it?
Watch it, but is there something that you have to tell our Hyderabad fans that?
The Hyderabad fan following has been very strong for me, so I don't even have to say that. They will automatically go and watch it. They will go and watch it. We're sure of that, and hope they don't disappoint us this time. But this is their kind of film. It's full on entertainment, emotion, action, song, dhamal, hangama. And it's got a lot of heart in it. It's a noble film, noble characters in the film. It's all about good versus evil, even though Chulbul himself is grey. But that character has been accepted, so we play that character. And he only grows larger and larger.
Okay, so why has Chulbul Pandey taken
because we are waiting for our heroine to grow. Now that she's grown up, can we please call her here? Yeah, come.
So let's call upon
I'm his biggest fan. I'm his biggest fan. That's why we have to go and see. Everybody is going to go and see.
straight forward right now. అంటే మెరుపు ఇంకా చాలా sparkling light has just come here and it is just
Come, you sit here.
second.
Come, you sit here,
Now
sit here.
let's
Come,
welcome.
Where you?
come, I'll sit here.
Alright, so here we have another beauty and including your side. So, hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I am super. So, okay, beautiful. So, how does it feel to be here in Dabang 3?
Amazing, it was a very good experience and I just had a great time shooting it and I'm happy that I'm in Hyderabad promoting it. And even though I've grown up watching Bollywood films, I've been a huge fan of a lot of people. What?
I've been a huge fan of it.
No, Prabhas Garu and Pavan Kalyan Garu and everybody.
Super. So, alright.
And Venki Garu was just now here?
Venki Garu.
Okay.
Alright, since we had the special appearance from our Venki Mama himself, so I wanted to ask, sir, how is your bond with...
Venki Mama is killing it, Venki Mama.
So, how do you feel about the whole bond that you share with Venki Mama? Because I know that you've been invited to all the close parties that Venki Mama celebrate, and you're always his favorite person to be there in all his house parties and stuff.
Now,
So-
we've known each other more than 25 years. So he's the bestest friend that I have. And I really look up to him. I really respect him. I think he's the most gentleman that you can ever come across. He's an amazing person. He's beautiful.
He's
And also we've got to connect that. I'd done a film of his called Prema. That was called Love. From that time we've known each other.
wow.
Yeah.
సో ప్రేమ సినిమా టైంలో నుంచి ఇద్దరికి చాలా మంచి బాండ్ ఉంది అని చెప్తున్నారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ బీన్ వండర్ఫుల్. సో అలాగే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు నో, మీకు తెలుగు అర్థమవుతుందా సార్?
Yes, of course.
తెలుగు వచ్చి సల్మాన్ ఖాన్కి సో సూపర్. సో సార్ అలాగే మీకు చరణ్ గారికి చిరంజీవి గారికి ఉన్న బాండ్ కూడా నాకు తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉంది. లైక్ యూ హావ్ బీన్ దట్ వన్ బాలీవుడ్ స్టార్ వాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్లీ దేర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ అట్ టాలీవుడ్ స్టార్స్ అండ్ బీన్ హ్యాపీలీ chilling with all of these stars that you are friends with. So ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు చరణ్ గారు?
So Ram is also a very dear friend, and so is Chiru Garu, very dear friend. So both father and son are both very close to me, and I've done a commercial with Chiru Garu a very long time ago in Thailand, and that's where we got along fine, and since then we've been in touch all the time. And then through him I met Charan when I was shooting here for Wanted. I think before Wanted something I was shooting here for, and that's when we got to know each other, and from then we've been always in touch.
ఆల్రైట్, సో వాంటెడ్ టాపిక్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సార్ నేను మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నాను. వాంటెడ్ మీ డెబ్యూ లాగా ఉండింది కదా, సో వాంటెడ్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఇప్పుడు దబంగ్ 3 వరకు హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ ఎనీ స్లైట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ అమేజింగ్ పర్సన్ హియర్?
ఇంకా ఎనర్జెటిక్, మోర్ యంగ్, మోర్ షార్ప్ సార్ బికమ్.
And dancing slightly better. Dancing slightly better.
You've always had that swag that nobody ever can even think of touching. So let us not talk about dancing. So your dancing is like next level. Alright, so I have to ask sir, meeremana different?
And it's in its own league only.
Yeah, it's alag only. The style only is alag. Fire lit,
What you gonna ask me?
everything otherwise. Sir, have you seen any difference in Prabhudeva Garu from Dabang 1 to Dabang 3?
Wanted.
Wanted. Sorry.
Who's going to give it to her?
Nothing happened.
Who's going to give it?
Nothing happened.
Yeah, from Wanted to now, no difference at all. At all. Same temperament. He's actually a lot more chilled out now because we know each other. So he's a lot more chilled out. So he's patient. Earlier, it's me, one more. Sir, I'm doing it correctly. Same like how you showed I'm doing it. He said, no, sir, see what I did and see what you're doing. So it's the same. He said, no, sir. One more, okay. Next shot, okay. Now he gives me that time. He said, one more, can I do it like this, do it like that? So he's more tolerant with me where dancing is concerned.
What do you have to say, sir? Inta tolerant, inta patient, and a child and everything. So what do you have to say about this comment from sir?
దేనికి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి?
మీకు ఇన్ని కాంప్లిమెంట్స్
Compliment, thanks చెప్పాలి.
థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలా? సో ఆల్రెడీ స్వీటెస్ట్ విలన్ అని అన్నారు సందీప్ పిచ్చా గారిని. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ హూస్ ద స్వీటెస్ట్ పర్సన్ అమంగ్స్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పీపుల్.
I think the whole team is. That's why Dabang 3 has come to place. Na? If even one of them are not, I think it would have stopped with one.
All of them are sweet friends.
Including the viewers. You asked me what is special about Dabang, you are asking them.
Yes.
See this, no, what is special about Dabang is Dabang 3 is happening only because of the viewers.
Correct.
The love they have given for Dabang 1 made Dabang to happen, and the love they showed, that made them do Dabang 3. Dabang is accepted hugely by the public itself. So Dabang is Dabang.
And now these are the two new added characters in Dabang. One is Kicha sir, who is outstanding in the film, and one is our beautiful lady who's a part of Dabang now. It is a film that you've liked, the same franchise that you liked from 1 to 2, and this one is going to be 3 times better than 1 and 2 both put together.
Wonderful. So, Gold, so you tell me, what's the last movie that you've ever watched in Telugu and something that you really liked?
Last movie I watched,
Any movie.
Dabang
You
Telugu
just
print.
watched
Dabang
Dabang
Telugu
Telugu.
print.
Venki Mama Day for yesterday.
I watched Venki Mama day before yesterday. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Told me yesterday you watched it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
All right, wonderful. So thank you so much, you beautiful people, and thank you, Sai, for
Thank
being here.
you.
And I really hope whatever happens, like whoever Sallu Bhai launches is a star. So I think that happens to you too, and that spell is, I think that spell is casted on you too. So thank you so much, guys, for making my day and making all of our Telugu viewers' day. Thank you so much, and also we will keep up your confidence, and I will fart off my papers and whistle and everything in front of the theatres. I promise, sir. So thank you so much for being here with us. It was great, great. All the best for Dabang 3, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we now